Hello, my name is Rafa. I work as a teacher of physical education, and this is my oral presentation of the final task, Innovative Activities for Specialized Language Teaching. First, I will describe the activities, and then I will talk about the evaluation criteria, their innovative nature, and the difficulties encoded in it. The activities that I am going to present are related to the area of physical education and are addressed to the 6th grade of primary school. Both activities are part of the didactic unit Know Your Body, where contents are related to blocks 1 and 4, knowledge and personal autonomy, and physical activity and health. What aims do we want to get in this project? On the one hand, to learn the new vocabulary about muscles. On the other hand, to identify the way to stretch our muscles. The activity number 1 has the title Complete Your Poster, and the purpose is to learn the name of the main muscle groups as well as their location in the human body. Some days before this activity, students will perform this exercise where they should write and learn the main muscle groups. The class is divided into 4 groups of 5 students, and each group has a color: orange, blue, green, and red. Each team will be placed in one of the corners of the sport court. The cards with the name of the main muscle of the human body are placed throughout the game space. Then, in each corner where the teams will be located, we will leave on the floor a poster with the drawing of the human body. At the signal of the teacher, one of the players of each group take a card of each color and come back to the area of their team and paste it on the mural with the help of his or her team in their corresponding place, like this. When the first partner places it, the next one can start, and so on until they put all the cards. They will be informed that when the card is placed on the panel, it cannot be moved. Once all the cards have been placed, the members of the team must correct the mistakes they have committed through the use of the tablet, scanning a QR code that will take them to a web page where they can discover the solution. I am going to show you how they do it. They open this application, which name is Vital. They scan the QR code, and this is the web page where they can find the solution. This is the web page. The winning team will be the one that commits fewer mistakes, and in case of a draw, the fastest one will be the winner. The activity number 2 has the title The Orientation Race of the Stretches, and the main objective is to recognize the exercises for the stretching with the vocabulary of the main muscle groups. The different groups put their complete and correct mural on some tables at the starting point of the orientation race. Each group will be given a map of the center with 15 checkpoints. In each of them, there will be a plastic sleeve with a card with the graphic representation of one stretching exercise. There will be 4 copies, one for each group. At the teacher's signal, each group will begin the race with a different order to avoid finding themselves with others. They must complete all the control points by taking the different cards of all the posts. Once they take the last one, they should go to the area of the panels where the exit was made and place all the cards along with the names of the muscle involved in each stretching exercise. Like this. We have to put the flashcard of the stretching exercise with the muscle involved in this stretching. The winning team will be the one that places all the exercises correctly. In case of a draw, the fastest will be the winner. As evaluation criteria to assist student learning, I have established the following. Recognizes the name of the main muscle groups of the human body. Locate the different muscle groups in the human body and identify which muscle groups are involved in the different stretching exercises performed. As a conclusion, I have designed 2 innovative activities to learn in a playful way the conceptual contents that traditionally in the area of PE they have worked in a more theoretical way. In addition, we have introduced motivating elements for students such as new technologies with the use of the tablets and QR codes. Besides, the sport of orientation through the use of the map. Finally, regarding the difficulties encountered in the design of the activities, I would like to emphasize that for the proper development of the same, I have needed to elaborate a lot of material. Then the flashcard with the names of the muscle groups, the QR code, the exercise to learn the different muscle groups, the poster to do the activity number 1 and the activity number 2 also, the map of the center and the flashcards with the stretching exercise. Although, as we have seen, it is an essential element in the proposed activities, which promotes meaningful learning to our students. I think in these activities, the material is very, very important. And with that, I end my oral presentation for the final task. Thanks for your attention.